Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj Vet's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to deep dive into how you can connect your phone camera to laptop. To connect your phone camera to laptop, we are going to use the Droid app. So this Droid Cam app is very useful when you are connecting your high quality camera to laptop, and it can serve in many ways. You can use for the meeting, you can use for recording or the live streaming, and it provides you a very high quality camera visual same as you have in your phone to the laptop. Sometimes what happens, your laptop may not have the same high quality camera and you may need to buy the outside webcam. So you don't need to buy your outside webcam. What we are going to do, we are going to just connect our phone high resolution camera to the laptop, and then we are going to use it. And the same webcam we can use, you can use it in the Zoom, you can use it in the OBS, or you can use in all the web application wherever the camera is required or webcam is required. So next thing, I'm going to tell you how you connect your Droid Cam to the laptop. So to connect your camera application to the laptop, what we are going to do, there are a couple of ways we can connect it. First, we can connect using the Wi-Fi network. Second, we can connect through the USB. So first of all, I'm going to tell you how we are going to connect it through the Wi-Fi, and at the end I'm going to tell you there may be a couple of issues in connecting and how we are going to resolve them. So first, let's go to the my mobile, and I will show you how we are going to connect our mobile application and desktop application. So now I have downloaded the Droid Cam client in my desktop, and I am opening it. I have installed it and now I am opening it. Once you open it, you will see it will show you click to add a device. So what I'm going to do, you will click here and it will start finding the device which are connected to the same network. So for example, your phone and the laptop is connected to the same device. You are going to connect to the you are going to see those list of devices here, and then you are going to connect it. For time being, my phone Wi-Fi and the laptop Wi-Fi is I kept it different, so it should not be available here, but it is very easy. Once both are same, you can see them here, your available device like your phone camera, and it will appear here. This is the one way. So next way, we are going to tell you about like how we can connect through the USB. You see, I have downloaded the Droid Cam software in my phone. So once you download it, you are going to open it. So here you see when I open this application, the Wi-Fi address and the Droid Cam port name 4747 is visible in my phone application. So what we are going to do, you can note down this Wi-Fi IP address, whatever. So in your phone it may be different. So we are going to use same Wi-Fi address. Now next I will show you we will download the Droid Cam client software in our desktop, and we will connect it from there. So now what we are going to do, so in this way we will try to connect our phone camera to the laptop through the USB cable. So I have installed the Droid Cam client in my laptop, and I have opened it. So once you open it, you will see this window, click to add the device. Once you click it, you will see if the USB cable is already connected, you will see it here. So you see my phone USB cable is connected. So I will click on this, and at the same time, let me turn on my phone camera here. So phone camera, so click on add selected device. So this is being connected through my phone. Actually, I have install that same application in my phone. Now I will show you how it is looking like. So if I move it, so you see I am everything controlling through the phone. So, and it is looking in my laptop. So even though my webcam is not there in like my monitor, I can see it is from my phone. So in the our app, you can use the back camera also. Let me use the back camera. You see, this is my monitor, so which I am trying to show you. So everything is being sent from the phone. So whatever I can see as a video in my phone, it is coming to the monitor. And similarly, if let me turn it back to my front camera. So now it is coming to my front camera. Like, let me put it there, then I will show you a couple of things. So this is how you see we can. This is how we can connect to our phone camera to the laptop, and you can use this same video recording of a high quality video camera for your webcam meeting like Zoom meeting, or if you want to record or live stream through the OBS application, you can do that. Not only this, all the webcam application, it is going to help you. But the other thing I'm going to tell you, so when you connect through the USB, there may be a couple of challenges, like it's not very easy to connect it. So sometimes what happens, there are a couple of issues which I'm going to tell you. The resolution, you can try it. It will help you to resolve your error. So when you're trying to connect through the Wi-Fi, so you may have there like devices not found. So what you can do in that case, you have to make sure your both phone camera and laptop has the same Wi-Fi. Once you connect it, once you have the same Wi-Fi network, you should be able to connect it. The second thing is, still you have the same network, your device may not be found in the some desktop application, DroidCam client application. So what you have to do in that case, you have to make sure like your VPN is turned off. So if VPN is enabled and try to connect it, it may not work it. So you have to make sure your VPN is turned off. And the other thing, for example, if you are using your corporate laptop, in those laptop, what happened, the extra firewall setting is enabled. So you won't be able to connect your DroidCam app application from phone to laptop. So you can try through the USB cable. In some cases it can work. So this is the issue you may get it, and this is how you can resolve it. This is the one option. For the other, sometimes what happens if you are trying to connect it from phone and direct to the laptop, there is other setting also which I'm going to, which is like you can see in this video. Like you have to go first. For the Android user, first you have to go to the setting and you enable the debugging option. To enable the debugging option, first you have to go to the setting and search for the builder number as you see in the screen. So once you search the builder number, you have to click on the 7 times and that to make it enable, to make the debugging enable or on. So for my phone, you see the debugging is already enabled, so that's what is showing already enabled. Once you do that, after that you have to go back in the main setting and search for the USB debugging. So you enable this option, then your phone can be easily connected to the laptop through the USB cable. So this is how you can connect your phone camera to your laptop and use it for all the meeting, recording or live streaming wherever you want. And you can have the high quality camera as you have in a phone. Same visual will be coming in the laptop or monitor. So now we will try since our DroidCam is connected to our phone, and in my monitor I don't have any web camera, so we'll test in the Zoom application. So this is my Zoom application. Once you open the Zoom application, you have to go to the setting, and once you're in the setting, you will go to the video, and here you see you will change your camera, DroidCam video integrated webcam, whatever. So for time being I want to use the DroidCam, so I have selected DroidCam. So once you select it, my phone is there, so it will look like from being recorded from phone. So it is coming in, it will come as whatever video in phone, it will be coming from there to your monitor or laptop. So let me bring my phone here. So you see, and I'm going to show you also, I'm recording. So you can see I'm showing you the screen also. So this is being recorded and being sent from my phone. So this is how you can change this setting once in your webcam application in Zoom or OBS or whatever web application are there. You can, so this is how you can connect your DroidCam. Thank you.